Okay, so I'm here to talk to you about Vinca, V-I-N-C-A, or periwinkle. Vinca or periwinkle is an attractive ground cover. So people use this in landscaping. You could have it in your front yard. Features of the leaves, if you look, the leaves are opposite. They're pretty much oval shaped and they have no teeth. And they're bright like grass green in terms of their color. So bright green above, a little whitish green below. So opposite leaves, they're in pairs. Bright green above, oval shaped, no teeth. The flowers are present in this part of the year in April and May, and there are 5 petals to each flower. And if you'll notice in the middle of the 5 petals, you'll see a white star-shaped imprint. So the white star-shaped imprint is noticeable to pollinators, and so bees pollinate periwinkle. And so once a little more time has passed, these petals will actually darken from this kind of medium shade of purple to a darker purple, and the white star-shaped pattern will be even more pronounced. And so insects will trigger on that pattern, and then they will fly in there. You can see reproductive parts. Next thing I'm going to do is turn this over sideways. So underneath the flower, you'll see that the 5 petals are fused into a tube. The 5 petals together are called the corolla. So there's a corolla tube below that's about 1 centimeter in drop. That tube is straight below, and you see symmetry to the flower. So another purple flower that you have is ground violet, and there's a tube under it as well, but its tube is sideways. It's shunted over to the side, where this one is just straight below the flower. So the size of these, this is a particularly big one. I would say most of the time these are about 1 inch in diameter. This one appears to be closer to 1.5 inches in diameter. And that is Vinca or periwinkle.